Hi guys, so today we're making slime and we testing this method because one we did was a fail. I'm not even going to take it out, it's just too sticky. And this one is perfect, we could poke it, it was perfect. So right now we're trying it with Tide, glue, water, and then our own stuff. So
show them the slime.
this is how it is so far. I think
It's a pretty light blue.
Right now it's looking more towards the fail side right now. So will this be a success or a failure?
Do we need more water?
Maybe more glue? Or no slime extra.
Add more glue.
Leah's gonna hold the camera.
We'll add a little more glue. Just a tad.
And then a little more of this. Just gonna save it.
Just a tad.
Ooh, that might have been too much. We can't even see the slime. Guys, do not yell at us in the comments if anyone watches this video. I'm sure no one will. You know, I think that fixed it a little.
Really?
Oh, no, now it's just...
You never even see what?
Now it's
Activator.
hands.
Water or water bottle?
It's like
Glue.
that fixed it.
And adorable donut.
Donut socks.
Donut.
Stop.